Xcellent by RENON Power is an ideal low-voltage power storage system for eco-conscious homeowners and small businesses. This compact and wall-mountable solution provides reliable and efficient energy storage, reducing your carbon footprint and electricity costs. With its minimalist design and easy installation, it is the preferred choice for customers seeking to optimise space while harnessing the benefits of solar power. A low-noise operation seamlessly integrates into any living or working environment. Powered by a safe and stable lithium iron phosphate battery, it delivers greater performance and reliability. Despite its lightweight and flexible construction, it meets the power needs of individual buildings, offering a customisable solution. With a nominal voltage of 51.2 volts and an energy capacity of 5.12 kilowatt hours, it caters to the basic needs of the majority. Also, it can be easily scaled up to 32 units in parallel configuration for high capacity requirements. Its resilient energy storage and discharging capabilities make it a perfect source of emergency backup power. A 7-inch clear LCD screen facilitates easy monitoring and control, providing real-time data on energy usage. Backed by a 10-year product warranty, it offers peace of mind and long-term value. It seamlessly integrates with most inverter brands available on the market, ensuring a smooth installation process. RENON Power's extensive portfolio of over 50 patents in energy storage technologies is a testament to our commitment to delivering top quality products. Experience the excellence of Xcellent by RENON Power and embrace a greener future.